Hello and welcome to this Transforming Learning Fife pedagogy video on Stylus, using the Notes app to solve a maths problem. Digital ink can be a powerful tool for modelling and explanations. By using your Stylus alongside your iPad, you can make your thinking visible, demonstrating not only what to do, but how and why to do it. In this example, we'll use the Notes app to model the solution to a maths problem. The Notes app provides a simple and effective space for modelling. To change the background, you're going to click the three dots and go to Lines and Grids. For this example, we're going to click the squared background. Selecting a square background can help learners follow calculations and support the accurate layout of mathematical working. To change the different digital pen tools, you click the pen, and if it's in light mode, then it'll have black, and if it's in dark mode, you'll get a white bit there. There's a multitude of different pens to choose from. You have the one that is pen to text. You've got normal pens, you've got highlighters, rubbers, select tool, you've got the ruler, your calligraphy pen, crayons, brush pens, pencils. Different pen types can be used to emphasise important steps, while colours can help draw attention to key concepts, common misconceptions, or areas of focus. And we all know that when we're trying to model good examples of maths, we want to use the ruler to make sure that we are laying out properly and neatly, and that will help learners do that too. I'm just going to go for the normal pen tool. You can also move these toolbars to the side so that they're out your way. So for this one, I'll go for this one in black. Right, so the example that I'm going to do here is I'm going to, with my Stylus, just do 382 plus 414. Can you see with this as well, because we're using the square paper, we are able to line up our numbers accurately. I'm then going to click the ruler tool. With this, if you use two fingers, you're able to change the direction. So we want it on 0 degrees so that it's straight. And you can draw the lines quickly and easily. One thing with the Notes app is that you have the mathematical solves here. To turn that off, you click the three dots and you can click to say math results off. I'm going to go back to the pen tool, get my ruler again and draw the lines. When you're teaching, you can be doing this in front of the learners. Your board can be connected either if you have it set up for casting, if you have an Apple TV, or you can do it cabled. One other use of doing this through the Notes app or any other kind of modelling tool that you're using, if you're doing it on the board, it means that you're able to face the learners rather than having your back to the learners. So that makes things much more easy as well. Obviously, as you're doing this, you can have lots of discussion throughout about the way that you're working it, as you normally would in any kind of numeracy lesson that you're doing. As we work through the problem, the Stylus allows us to demonstrate each stage of the process in real time. Rather than presenting learners with a completed answer, we can reveal our thinking step by step, explain the decisions that we make and the strategies we use. This helps learners understand the process behind the solution and provides opportunities to address misconceptions as they arise. The ruler tool can be used when appropriate to support accuracy and demonstrate good mathematical presentation. Effective modelling is more than demonstrating a procedure. It involves making expert thinking visible to learners. Using digital ink allows teachers to slow down the process, annotate key steps, and draw attention to important features. This can reduce cognitive overload and help learners focus on the aspects of learning that matter the most. Because the notes can be saved and shared, learners also have access to a modelled example that they can revisit independently, supporting retrieval, consolidation and independent practice. You could take a screenshot of this, for example, and upload it to Shobi. Digital ink transforms the iPad into more than a digital notebook. It provides opportunities to model thinking, explain processes, and create reusable learning resources that support understanding both during and beyond the lesson.